what is and what does an impairment rating mean here in Iowa in the workers' compensation system? An impairment rating is simply a number from a book. This is the AMA Guides 5th edition. This is the book that's used here in Iowa to determine what your impairment rating is. The most important thing to know about an impairment rating is that oftentimes it's only a small portion of what you are owed in your workers' compensation case. What do I mean by this? Well, if you have what we call an industrial disability injury, or you qualify for the Iowa Second Injury Fund Act, then the impairment rating is only one of many factors. So for example, let's say you've sustained a back injury, and the doctor says you have a 10% permanent impairment rating, but your employer can't take you back with your restrictions that say you can only lift 10 pounds. In that particular case, then your 10% impairment rating is probably a small factor in what you should ultimately get. You could get, depending upon your age and education, all those kind of things, a 10% impairment rating could be worth 20%, 30%, 40%, 50% or more in industrial disability benefits. So the most important thing to keep in mind about an impairment rating is it may not be all that you're owed in your case. And you should learn more, just like thousands of Iowans already have, by requesting our book that's available at no cost, risk, or obligation. It's available right here on our webpage. You'll also find a lot more information here on our webpage and in our videos and articles that are here as well. So explore our webpage, request our book. There's no cost, risk, or obligation, and all you can do is learn additional information.